Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson 8 nouns, singular and plural. Okay? Look at this picture. One book, two books. One hand, one hand, two hands. Okay? When a noun names only one person, place, animal, or things, it is known as a singular noun. When a noun names only one person, place, animal, or things, it is known as a singular noun. When a noun names more than one person, place, animal, or things, it is known as a plural noun. Okay? Learn it and write in your CW copy definition of singular noun and definition of plural noun. Plural nouns can be formed in many ways. Read the rules below the change singular nouns to plural nouns. Rule number 1. We add an S the singular nouns to make them plural. S लगा के singular noun को plural में convert करना है. Exercises. Number 1. Complete the table with the plural form of the nouns. One has been done for you. Apple, singular noun, plural, apples. Table का plurals, tables, TABLES बेटा. Okay. Doctor, doctors, DOCTORS, plural. Car, car का CARS, cars. Okay, student, understood? Next. 2. Write S for singular nouns and P for plural noun. जहाँ singular noun है उसके लिए S और जहाँ plural nouns है उसके लिए P. Crocodile, S singular. Desks, plural, P. Friend, singular. D. Cousins, P, plural. E. Oranges, plural. Pencil, singular, one pencil. Shirt, singular. Skirts, ढेर सारे skirts, plural. Okay? Next, rule number 2. We add ES to singular nouns that end with S, double S, SH, CH, X and O to make them plural. For example, third, complete the table with the plural form of the nouns. A few have been done for you. Bus, bus, buses, BUSES. Gas, gases, GASES. Class, classes, CLASSES. Glass, glasses, GLASSES. Brush, brushes, BRUSHES. Wish, wishes, WISHES. Match, MATCHES. Branch, BRANCHES, plural. Box का plural, boxes, BOXES. Fox, foxes, FOXES. Potato, potatoes, POTATOES. hero, heroes, heroes. Understood, student? Next, 4. Complete the table with the singular or plural form of the nouns. Singular, a dish. प्लूरल क्या हो जाएंगे इसके? डिशेस, डिशेस, DISHES, DISHES. बी किस का प्लूरल किसेस, KISSES. यहाँ डिश का स्पेलिंग लिख लीजिएगा बेटा, छूट गया, DISHES. ओके, डिश का डिशेस. सी मैंगो, मैंगोज, MANGOES. वॉच का वॉचेस, WATCHES. बॉक्स का बॉक्सेस, BOXES. ओके. थर्ड रूल, फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंडिंग विथ F or FE we change the F or FE the VES to make them plural. अगर वर्ड में F आता है तो उसको F हटा के VES लगाते हैं. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे एक्सरसाइज दिया है, कंप्लीट द टेबल with the plural form of the nouns. A few have been done for you. Leaf, 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 F हटा के VES, leaves, LEAVES. calf, 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 F हटा के BES, प्लूरल हो गया CALBES. thief, THIEF, THIEVES बेटा, F हटा के BES. ओके. knife, KNIFE, KNIVES, प्लूरल. wife, WIFE, प्लूरल WIVES. ओके. नेक्स्ट, for some nouns that end with F, the plural noun is formed by adding an S. Singular, roof, इसमें केवल S लगा देना, roofs, ROOFS. ओके बेटा. सेफ, सेकंड क्या है बेटा? सॉरी, चीफ, चीफ, CHIF, चिप्स, CHIEFS. ओके. फोर्थ रूल, फोर्थ रूल, फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंडिंग विथ Y we change the Y to IES to make them plural. Y हटा के IS लगाना है, plural. Complete the table with the plural form of the nouns one has done for you. बेबी सिंगुलर नाउन, प्लूरल, Y हटा के बेबीज. अरे सॉरी, बॉय, सॉरी, फर्स्ट में क्या है? बेबी, बेबी में Y हटा के बेबीज, BABIES. ओके. सेकेंड, स्टोरी, स्टोरीज, STORIES, Y हटा के IES. कैंडी, CANDY, कैंडी, कैंडीज, CANDIES. मम्मी, मम्मीज, MUMMIES, MUMMIES. For some nouns ending with Y, the plural noun is formed by adding an S. In each word, the letter before Y is always a vowel. 7. Complete the table with the plural form of the nouns one has done for you. Singular, boy, प्लूरल इसका हो जाएंगे बॉयज. क्या हो जाएंगे बेटा? बॉयज. खाली Y है तो S लगा देना इसमें. टॉय, इसमें देखिए Y के पहले वॉवेल्स आए, OOAE. अगर Y के पहले वॉवेल्स आते हैं तो Y के बाद इसमें सिर्फ S लगा देते, जैसे बॉय, बॉयज, टॉय, टॉयज. tray, trays, key, keys, keys. Okay, student. Next, tick the correct plural noun for each word. इधर सिंगुलर है, इधर प्लूरल है. चेरी का राइट स्पेलिंग क्या होगा? चेरीज. वाई हटा के आई एस, वाई हटा के आई एस. दिस इज राइट आंसर. ट्रे, वाई हटा के ट्रेस, क्योंकि वाई के पहले देखिए ए वॉवेल्स आए तो उसमें एस हो जाएगा. टी आर ए वाई एस, राइट. हाफ का हाफ्स, एच ए एल वी ई एस, एफ हटा के वी ई एस. ओके. लाइफ, लाइफ्स, एल आई वी ई एस. ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टूड. रूल्स नंबर 5. We make special changes to the spelling of some singular nouns to make them plural. Such words are called irregular plural. जैसे for example singular man, man, man का plural men, men. Tooth plural TEETH. Foot FEET, feet. Mouse singular plural MICE, mice. Goose GOOSE, goose का plural GEESE. Child का plural children, CHILDREN. इसको होमवर्क में लर्न करेंगे. लर्न एंड राइट इट इन योर CW कॉपी. ओके. Nine. Write the plural form of the singular nouns. 1 foot, 2 feet, FEET, feet. 1 house, 3 houses, HOUSES. 1 torch, 4 torches, TORCHES. 1 hand, 5 hands, 5 hands. 1 mouse, 6 mice, MICE. 1 glass, 7 glasses, GLASSES. Okay. 1 tomato, 8 tomatoes, TOMATOES. Next, 1 leaf, 9 leaves, LEAVES, F हटा के VES. Okay. Next, 1 knife, 10 knives, KNIVES. 1 toy, many toys, TOYS. Read this sentence. Write S if the underlined word in singular and P if it is plural. My watch has stopped working. Watch singular S. There were 2 boats on the lake. 2 boats. So plural P. On the lake. C. Sandy bought a pair of red shoes. Plural. Shoes. That woman is my mother's friend. 1 woman. Singular. We must brush our teeth twice every day. Teeth. Plural. Many delicious dishes were served at the birthday party. Dishes. Dishes. Plural. Okay. नेक्स्ट कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. क्या पढ़ेंगे बेटा? कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. Who are these people? They are a band of musician. Band of musician. Musician. Second, what do we see? How do we describe so many whales together? How do we describe so many whales together? We see a school of whales. We see a schools of whales. Whales को झुंड को क्या बोलेंगे? A schools of whales. What do we see? How do we describe so many ants together? We see an army of ants. Ants के ग्रुप क्या बोलेंगे? Army of ants. What are these? These are a deck of cards. We often many groups of people, animals or things with expression like a band of musicians, an army of ants, a school of whales or a deck of cards. These expressions are called collective nouns. इनको क्या बोलेंगे? Collective nouns. Notice that each expression has the word of in it. Okay. Also notice how are added a or an with collective nouns that are singular. Singular collective nouns are said with singular action words in sentence. Example, this bucket of flowers is beautiful. Next, 12. Underline the collective nouns in each sentence. Collective nouns को underline कीजिए. A. The little child was brought up by a pack of wolves. इसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ओके. सेकेंड, a fleet of ships is sailing towards the faraway island. There is a swarm of bees humming near the window. बी में किसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे बेटा? ए फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स. सी में देयर इज ए swarm of bees. Swarm of bees. D. Raghu is in the grasslands with his flock of sheep. किसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे? Flock of sheep. Collective nouns. He broke his fast with a bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. Okay. A mob of angry people rushed towards the policeman. A mob of angry. A mob of angry. Collective nouns. We saw a pride of lions when we were in the forest of Gir last year. The pride of lions. H. The cackling gaggles of geese woke me up from deep sleep. Gaggle of geese. Okay. Next, the prince and his soldiers moved with a caravans of camel. इसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे. caravans of camels. Collective nouns. J. It was not easy to break the bundle of sticks. Bundle of stick. This is collective nouns. Okay. Next, 13. Make correct sentences. A. Gave a she bucket me of flowers. For example, जैसे correct order में किए हैं. She gave me a bucket of flowers. B. When I came in, she was teaching. बेटा सॉरी यहाँ 2 बार गलत आ गया ना. शी वॉज, ये इरेज कर दीजिएगा ना. टीचिंग ए क्लास ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. डैड्स कीज वेयर लाइंग अंडर ए पाइल ऑफ बुक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट. थर्ड, द प्रिंस गिफ्टेड द एंजल a magic of quiver of arrows. Next, mum, M-U-M, थोड़ा सा हल्का हो गया बेटा यहाँ, M-U-M, mum. Mum lost her bunch of keys yesterday. Okay. I saw herds of elephants crossing the river yesterday. Okay student, यहाँ मम कीजिएगा, M-U-M, मम. ओके, या एक वॉज इरेज कर दीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट 14. Complete the sentences. Choose the correct collective nouns. A. She has a at her home who scared the mice away. इसमें क्या भरेंगे नंबर 1 में? Crowder of cats. A. Crowder of cats. B. He got for us to sit in his room. Stack of chairs. B. ये भरेंगे बेटा. C. A. Attacked the man and ran away with his bag of fruits. Troop of monkeys. C. Troop of monkeys attacked the man and ran away with his bag of fruit. D. The little piece of chocolate that I had left on the kitchen rack was cleaned off by colony of ants. D number, colony of ants. Okay beta. E. My dog Cholera has given birth to a noisy. E. Litter of puppies. F. The mum gave me had the key to the secret stairways, but I seem to have lost all of them. इसमें F. bunch of keys. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो हम लिखे ABCDEF, आप उसको इस कॉलम में ABCDEF आप भरेंगे उसको. ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.